Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to understand a very important question from the today contest problem, right? Today contest problem is 456 and this is the first question that we are going to solve today. Okay, the partition string. So what the question is saying that we have given a string s, as you can see in the given string s we have given, and partition it into a unique segment according to the following procedure. We have to start building a segment beginning at index 0, and we have to continue extending the current segment character by character until the current segment has not been seen before. Once the segment is unique, add it to list of the segment, mark it seen, and begin a new segment from the next index, and will repeat until you reach to the end s. Then we have to return the string segment this and this at a segment created. Okay, means these are the things we have given. Means first of all, what we have given a string, we have given it is in the lower English letter, right? We have given, then you need to split it, right? You need to split it into a segment with unique rules, and these are the rules we have given. Means we have to keep adding the character until the segment has not been seen before, right? Till that we will go. Once a new segment is formed, then we have to add it to the result and we'll mark it as a scene, and then we'll start building the next segment, and we'll do that using the next character. Means first of all, what we need to do, we have given this string we have given, then we need to split this into a segment, and the segment rule is what? Means this should be the unique rules, right? The unique rules are we have to keep the character in a segment, right? And until the segment has a whole string has not been seen before. Once a new string is formed, then we will add it to the result and we'll mark it in a scene, and we'll start the next segment from the next character. Okay, so you pause this, go through this, and you will understand what the problem statement is saying there, right? So if we observe this, right, so what we need to do, we want to build a substring from the left to right in this direction, and for each substring, that is a segment, should be a new, right? It has not occurred before that segment will say. So as you can see, we have A, B, B, C, 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 D. So all these segments are new and it has not been occurred before, as you can see here, right? And we will try to build the segment as long as possible, right? But stop as soon as we form a substring that has been seen, right? If let's suppose the a will come again, so we'll stop here. Okay, we will not do this one. So let's suppose we have this substring we have given, right? String we have given. What are the strings we have given? Let's write it A, B, B, C, 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 and D, right? These are the things we have given. So for the first time, if this is substring we have given, if the string we have given S, right, we have given. So for the first character is A. So if that character A we have, right, it means have we seen in the, let's suppose we'll keep somewhere, right? We'll check in the if it, and we'll keep adding here. Let's suppose we'll call its array, right? And each index are there, right? So we'll check the first character, that is A. It is seen in there? No, right? Means we have to add into this result, right? Just add into, let's suppose at 0. So that will say this is in the list. Okay, next we'll check what B is in this one or not, right? This is not there, so let's add into B. So the next element is B, so this we will add into the what called set, or you can say, yeah, set we can add, or then we can take, or any other things we'll take. Then we'll have what? B is coming again, right? A, B again coming. Yeah, B is already there, so we'll not use this one. Then we'll go for what? BC is there? No, just add it here. A, B, B, C, right? We can add. Then what we have? C we have. Next is C. We can add. Yes, we can add. Then next will be C. Next what we have? CC. Let's add CC because it's not there, right? So add into the CC. Next what we have? D. So add into this one, D. So these are the elements we have, as you can see here, right? Other than if we will add again, so it will be available in this scene, right? This is nothing but a scene variable will take, and if it is there, we will add. If it is there, we will not add, right? Means we want to store all the scene segment in here, right? We'll use a set to store all the segment here. We'll initialize from 0 and we'll go to the its last length, right? We'll go till the last length, right? From 0 to last length will go, right? And we'll keep adding. What we need to do, just take the substring start and I. right? If this is start, let's suppose this is start and the I, right? So these part are substring. So start can be start from here, it will keep moving, it will keep moving. So all the possible substring we'll get and we'll keep adding there, right? If it is not seen here, we'll add it, and then we'll set the start at I, okay? And then we'll continue till the end, will continue, okay? So how we are going to implement, let's understand. So in the very first, what we should do, give me 1 second, how we are going to implement it, okay? Let me zoom a little bit. So okay, just think that we'll take a set, right? First of all, we'll take a set and we'll call it a string, right? And then this is nothing but our scene, and we'll write what, new asset, we'll call, and we'll implement it, right? Now we'll take a result, we can say, where we will store it and we'll return it, okay? So list of a string we have to store. So list of a string we'll say, and we'll say this is nothing but our answer list that we will return, right? And this is a new array list, you can say that. Means we will add one by one all the substring here. Let's call start will start from what, 0. Start will start from what, 0, and similarly will end will be there, or we can say end is not required, right? We can leave it. So current, we will start the current from here, start, and for that we know we will go int I equal to 0 we have started, so let's start from 1, next character, and I should be less than s dot length. Length is just length should be a function because it's a string, and I plus plus, correct? Then what we should do, we should check the substring. Let's call the first substring, your current substring, we can say current substring. So the current substring will get from how, just write s dot substring, right? And you have to pass the starting index and till the current index, correct? Then you will check is it in the scene or not. Is this subset or is substring is in the set or not. Just check if it is not in the scene, right? Means there is a contain method in the set, you will check the current substring is there or not. If it is not there, right, just you need to do what, you will add into the answer, right? Just add answer dot add. So this is a list, answer is a list, just add a current substring, right? Substring, we can say that this is a variable, so we can add it. Then we'll check in the scene. Now put into the scene also, right? Let's add into the scene what, current substring, right? Current substring, let's add it. So you can add. Now what we should do, we'll start equal to I. Now start we have to update the start. Now the next character will move, start will move to the next character, right? For the first time A will come, then the start will go to the B, right? Like that we will go, correct? Once this is done, here we will return our result, correct? Just try it. Okay, so what is current? We have not added full variable name, just add it. Scene dot contains should be method. Then add substring, if the spelling is correct, just check now. Answer, then we can add, yeah, we can add on the answer. Just add this current substring will add, it should add, right? No, here. Yes, now submit this. What is the problem? Let's try to check what is the problem here. So first we'll take a scene that will be our asset, then we'll take a list, right? And then we'll start from the start. then we'll go from I equal to 1 to, we'll go to the length, right? Okay, we have done wrong. We should go to the last index, right? I think this should be the problem. Let's submit it. Please ping me in the comment box. Let me know that you understood the problem. Okay, thank you for watching this video.